welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I'm just here making a video talking about Donna's recipe, extra creamy hair cream. Now, this hair cream is made with natural sweet potatoes stirred with vanilla and sprinkled with warm cinnamon, the perfect hair recipe to give your hair an extra boost of moisture and shine. Apply a small amount to damp or dry hair and style as desired. Use on second step for LCO leave-in cream oil or final step for lock routine leave-in oil cream. And it has stuff like water, coconut oil, fatty alcohol. It has sunflower oil, oat. It has cinnamon in here and castor oil, aloe vera. I thought, and it has no parabens, color safe, free of SLS, SOEs. And it has a note right here from Tabitha. Hello there. Indulge in this lightweight, non-greasy sweet potato pie hair cream that provides superior moisture, penetration, and soft touchable definition to curls. Sweet potatoes packed with vitamin A and omega-3 fatty acids add luster by nourishing the hair follicles and the hair. And cinnamon removes buildup from the scalp to allow for healthier follicles and overall hair and scalp health. Vanilla soothes the scalp and softens dry, rough hair. Honey, a dessert for your hair. Donna's has it again with this made in heaven sweet potato pie. Ultra lightweight hair cream recipe that your scalp and hair are sure to love. Spoil yourself with Donna's signature ultra lightweight sweet aroma hair cream to bring goodness and joy to your hair care routine. I must say this was very interesting, I must say. And it's a sweet potato hair cream, extra creamy hair cream. Now the story is, for me, when I started using this, it was fine. It made my hair soft, and my scalp was fine. My scalp was fine. Like they said, it was good for the scalp. But my hair, let's see, smells like cinnamon sweet potato icing. A little bit. Oh, where am I going? I don't want this falling on me. Okay. All right. See? See how thick it is? I don't think it's quite lightweight. I think it's kind of a little bit goes a long way. And this is 6 fluid ounces. So this is 6 fluid ounces. 6 fluid ounces. So yeah, see? 6 fluid ounces. So the more and more I use this, the drier and drier my hair become. I'm the kind of person who has to do, after I wash my hair, I have to moisturize it every 1 to 2 or even 3 days, because my hair, I don't know if I'm high porosity, but I know I'm 4B. I don't know if I have high porosity hair, and what goes in comes out. I need something to really seal in my hair and stuff, and this was not moisturizing my hair like it said it would do, and it said the perfect hair recipe to give your hair an extra boost of moisture and shine. I mean, at first it did make my hair soft, but then it started getting drier and drier, and I did not understand why. Because no matter what I use for cheaper products, they work just as well. They have good ingredients as well, but this one, I don't know what happened. I got this at Target for what am I saying? For $15.99, $16. So I got this at Target for $16, $15.99, but you can get it on Donna's Recipe website for $15 or Ulta. I don't know where else you can get it. You can just Google it to figure out where else they sell Donna's Recipe. So I don't think I may be using this again. I'm not exactly sure if I will use this again. But long story short, this dries my hair out, but I really do love Tabitha Brown food. I may get her biotin gummies one day, but I am a fan of Donna's Recipe, but this didn't work for me. I might get the leave-in conditioner one day, but I don't know how that will do for my hair. I don't think I may get it, but I think the gummies I may get one day. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I don't think I might get anything. I'm not sure. But I am a fan of her recipes and her vegan recipes, so I will continue to support, but maybe not Donna's Recipe. Maybe one day, but I'm not sure if I will. But yeah, long story short, this helped my scalp. It was fine for my scalp, but my hair just didn't work for me. I do still love Tabitha Brown, but this didn't work for me. It dried my hair out a lot. So yeah, it dried my hair out significantly. I have to moisturize my hair at least every other day, every 2 days, or every 3 days to have moisture at all. And this dried it out a lot. Like, oh my gosh, it was so bad. I did not understand how my hair felt so crunchy and hard, even though I don't use deep conditioner or anything. I don't know what happened, but yeah, I just couldn't use this anymore. And I was like, oh no, I spent $16 on this, $15.99. But I don't know why that happened. But my hair doesn't really like this. But I like it, but it smells so good. It smells like cinnamon, sweet potato, icing. But I can't use this anymore because it dries my hair out a lot. It doesn't give me moisture. I mean, it makes my hair soft, but it doesn't feel moisturized when I use it, which is very weird. My hair is very thick. And don't mind me, I just woke up. But yeah, my hair is very thick. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. I do love Donna's Recipe, what they have done for other people's hair, but my hair is like, oh yeah, you can't do that. One, it did give my hair a curl. Well, I have coily hair, but it did bring out my pattern. But that's about it. I didn't get moisture, so yeah. Well, if you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And thumbs up, like if you liked it, thumbs it up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified. What am I talking about? To be notified by all the new videos I upload. I'll see you later. And like, comment, share, and subscribe. And enjoy. And if you want to try this Donna's Recipe, Google it and tell me what your experiences were for Donna's Recipe. And if you would like to try it. And if you want to try it, Google Donna's Recipe in the search engine of any search engine you use. And you can go to Target, Ulta, or Donna's Recipes website. But only if you want to try it. This extra creamy curly hair cream, and tell me your experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, thumbs it up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified by all the new videos I upload. Remember, love, knowledge, and laughter, and I'll see y'all in the next video.